Alright, today class we're going to construct a rhombus. Now a rhombus is a parallelogram and a quadrilateral, but what makes it a rhombus is that it has four congruent sides. So what we're going to do to start constructing it is first you're just going to draw a length, and we're going to use 4 inches. So we're going to use our ruler and measure out 4 inches. Alright, so once we got that, we're going to put 2 points on there. So we're going to put one point here, it's going to be A. Another point here is going to be B. Now once we have that, we're going to get our compass, and we're going to draw 2 arcs from these points that are the same width as from A to B. Now doing that will make sure that the sides of the rhombus will be congruent, because we will have measured this and then the arc will be in the same spot where the 2 points are. So we're going to measure using our compass to here, and we're going to pull it to make sure that that's between right at the 2 points. And once you've got that, that's not going to move. So we're going to put the first, you're going to put the dot of your compass onto the first, on point A, and you're going to stick your pencil in between there, and we drew 1 arc right there. Alright, you're going to do the same thing with B. You're not going to move this because it needs to be the same size. We're going to draw another arc. Alright, so now that we have the 2 arcs, we're going to put a point on this arc. It doesn't matter where, wherever you want. It can be any side of the slanting rhombus, and we're going to call that point C. Now, once you have point C, you're going to take your compass again, and you're going to leave it in the same size, and you're going to put your point, the circle onto the point, and you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw another arc that intersects that arc. And then where that intersects, you're going to put another point, and we'll call it point D. So now we've got all 4 points of our rhombus, and they're all the same distance apart. So now all we have to do is connect them. So we're going to get our ruler, and we're going to connect point C and A. Then we're going to connect point C and D. Then we're going to connect point B and D. Alright, so now we've got our rhombus. Now the rhombus has all congruent sides. So we're going to measure them with the ruler to make sure they're all congruent. So from A to B, it's 3 inches. From B to C is 3 inches. From B to D is 3 inches. From C to D is 3 inches. And from A to C is 3 inches. So we know that all 4 sides are congruent, and C and D and A and B are parallel to each other, so we know that that's 2 sets of parallel sides, so therefore it is a rhombus.